Hi friends, here is a step-by-step guide on how to change WhatsApp background on your device. First is to launch the WhatsApp app on your phone. Then you tap on the Settings tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Chats. Then you look for the option labeled Chat Wallpaper and tap on it. Then you tap on the Choose Dark Mode Wallpaper. There you see several options for wallpaper. You can choose from solid colors, default wallpaper, or select a photo from your phone or your photo library. So let's select a photo from the photo library here to use as an example. Once you have selected the photo you want, once you have selected the wallpaper you want, you'll be able to preview how it looks behind your chats. You can drag and adjust to see how it looks on different chats. When you're satisfied, you tap Set at the bottom of the screen. And WhatsApp will ask you if you want to set the wallpaper for all chats or just for the current chat. Select your preference and tap Set to confirm. Your new chat wallpaper is now applied. You see it as the background behind your chats in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more video tips. Bye and see you in the next video.